Hey guys, episode 8 of my stocks and shares portfolio series. A bit of a strange week this week, a lot of sort of consolidation, a little bit up and down. I'm up £1,000, as you can see, 94,000 in the title of the video, but I have added some new money this week, so most of the gain has come from that. Started off with the Hargreaves portfolio because not a lot really happened with that at all. Slight gain since last week, but gold and silver sort of really just coming back off the all-time high. Might sort of trade a bit sideways, maybe a little bit down for another week or two, I'm thinking, maybe a month, but had some good gains over the last month, so no problem with that. Moving over to Trading212. So I've added £500 to this in the ISA, so fully deposited now, and I have put another 250 into the invest side. I think that's what I'm going to have to use now. The ISA is full, so not too much movement this week. I had a little bit of a bump from Barrick Gold, because you can't really see it on the left there, but that was the previous week's price. And Berkshire Hathaway have added a new position in this sometime last quarter, about $500 million. So that's seen a nice little bump, sort of more so than the other gold and silver miners, just because of that investment really. But hopefully it does make sort of other hedge funds and big funds a little bit more positive towards gold, and maybe sort of the individual investors that sort of follow him, and some people sort of hang on his every word. So hopefully good news. But yeah, sort of most of the British stocks are just sort of either flat or a little bit down this week. Not too much happened. I passed a couple of ex-dividend dates on Thursday. I think GlaxoSmithKline and Imperial Brands, people like that. So we do some dividends in September. I got paid out dividend from British and American Tobacco, just a small dividend of I think £4 something. That would be more now because I've added to that position, but that was from the 9th of July ex-dividend date. So as I say, not too much change in most of the rest of these. Kia Group was the one that it was sort of a bit up and down, and I've added 250 to this in the invest account, so it doesn't show here. And then a lot of the others, sort of Rolls-Royce still hanging quite low, having a few problems with engines and things, so it's making me a little bit more nervous about them. Going to take a lot longer to recover, but I think as long as they hold on to their monopoly, they should be fine. Shell still sort of going down to new lows, I think, is pretty much since March. I think March it was about sort of £10. So yeah, still a little bit more to go to get down to that, but surprised this isn't sort of doing a little bit better. I mean, they are diversifying, getting into energy supply in the UK, and moving more towards renewables, but we'll see. So that's one I'm looking to sort of average into quite heavily. Sylvania Platinum doing quite well. Seem to, as I say, have quite good fundamentals. So even in this market, they're doing quite well. I think there's news for them in September on their results, so I'd expect a bump on that and maybe increase the dividend. So just a short update this week. Not a great deal happened, so I'll probably leave you guys there. Leave your thoughts in comments below, and like and subscribe if you want to see more. Cheers.